Hey guys, it is December 4th, 2013, and I came across this article while researching online, and this is getting so ridiculous now. The Obama administration has decided that since they can't go after our guns and confiscate our guns, they've decided to go through a back door. They're going after the makers of ammunition. This article here talks about one of the last, I think it is the last, lead smelting facility that makes our bullets. They're claiming that the Environmental Protection Agency is claiming that in the production of these ammunitions that it is hurting the environment. So I just wanted to put this out there and just show everybody what the Obama administration loves to do, and that's going through a back door to get what they want. They can't do it through political means, so they just do it through a back door, while everyone's attention is focused on what's happening in Iran right now. So just wanted to put that out there. There you go. I'll leave a link so you can look it up and read it yourself. Alrighty.